sleep at night. I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights and leave her in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never